Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Vicky Adam from class 12 TKJ2. Here I will explain 5 equipment in the computer and network engineering department. 1. Server machine. A server is one of the computers in a network that is specifically used to provide various service for client computer. Server service are as follows. Server disk. The server is able to provide hard disk space that can be accessed by all clients, both for getting documents and storing general documents. File server. The server is capable of serving a file server, namely access to certain files needed by the client that can be modified or updated. Printer server. Printer server provides printer service that can be used by all computers connected to the network. An optional drive that can be accessed by all computer connected to the network. Internet service. Server computer can be connected to the internet and can share the internet network to all clients with control of the server machine. There are two types of server, namely a dedicated server and a non-dedicated server. A dedicated server is a server that has a special function as a server and cannot be used as a client. This type of server usually uses a special server operating system. Meanwhile, a non-dedicated server is a computer that can function as a server as well as a client. Every computer connected to the network has the opportunity to become a non-dedicated server. 2. Workstation or client. The second network hardware is a workstation or client, which is a computer that is not used by users who can request service from the server. 3. NIC, Network Interface Card, or network card is a hardware device that is used to connect a computer to the network. NIC provides a special port that can be used for RJ45 connectors. There are two types of NIC, namely onboard NIC and external NIC. Onboard NIC is a NIC that is installed with the computer mainboard, while external NIC is a NIC card that can be assembled with the mainboard computer. External NIC is generally required when the computer wants to be a router that requires more than one NIC. 4. Hoops are network hardware devices that are generally widely used in networks that use a star topology. Hoop acts as the center and will always receive and send data from the source client or server to the destination computer. NIC physically consists of several RJ45 ports to connect one computer to another. Cable that is already attached RJ45 at both ends with a hoop. Computer in the network can be easily reduced or added without having to disturb the network as a whole. 5. Switch. Switch is actually a device like a hoop but has experienced development. The difference between the two is
more in practicality in sending data packets. Hub can receive or send data to a computer connected in the network even though the computer doesn't need the data, so that sending data packets becomes less effective, which can result in decreased network performance. And Hub only cannot send data packet simultaneously. The Hub can only send data packets and at certain times half duplex. Switch almost the same as a Hub, but the switch is able to determine the direction of destination to which computer the data packet should be sent, meaning that the switch will immediately send the data packet it received directly to the destination computer. Thus, the data transmission process will be faster. Besides that, the switch device is capable of sending data simultaneously at one time, full duplex. That is all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.